Alright guys, when you crappie fishing, all you gotta do is put that split shot on there. Put your shiner hook on there. You just dropping that boy. So I let it all the way down, hit the bottom. Just hit the bottom. Hit the bottom, I know where it's at. So we're just gonna come up a few turns. We got a bite already. Stop playing with me, man. Subscribe to me. You know what I'm saying? It's that easy. It's really that easy. You feel me? All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. Maybe you'll learn something. You know what I'm saying? You'll a little think, but I know they're down there.
Nothing going wrong with a motherfucking peanut butter and jelly sandwich, man.
We gotta get us some snacks for the trip,
Really,
man. Hopefully we do something today, man. Hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all know the vibes, you know. Got the boy D with us today again. Hopefully we ain't getting caught.
Part 2.
Yeah, you know, in the rain. I mean in the water like we did last time, you know. Hopefully today be a successful day. We get on some fish, get some perch, you know what I'm saying? We get some shiners right now. A lot going on, man, so y'all stay tuned.
Yo, man, so this is what we got going on. You know what I'm saying? Whoever catches the biggest fish, or whoever catches the smallest fish today, they gotta eat a pack of this right here. That's them sardines in that Louisiana hot sauce.
We is in Louisiana, though.
Yeah, so you already know it.
We out of Louisiana, you feel me? So he just came up with it, cause you know that's.
I don't eat sardines.
I would have never picked up no goddamn sardines, you know?
Yeah, so
I don't eat sardines either. So I guess that's the challenge for today. Whoever gets the smallest fish, right? The smallest fish.
Smallest fish. You gotta. So you take this right here. Sponsorship. I mean, give us something. And you put some ranch in there, right? When you put the ranch in there, you shake it up and you put it in the refrigerator for like a couple hours. Come back, you got ranch pickles. Them motherfuckers. I'm telling you, look. With this and this, oh my God. This that fishing food right here, man. You ain't got time for no hot meal, and you gotta hurry up and eat real quick. That's it.
Hell nah. Man, I don't know what's worse, a goddamn pickle or glizzy with you.
Man.
Everybody don't want no glizzy, he want the pickle. He want the pickle. Give him the pickle. Then he want ranch on it.
I'm done. You play too much. You play way out. You ain't even have to do that shit, man. Cut it off, man.
Hey, Q Murph the beat.
Alright guys, we made it on the boat, got everything. We made sure the boat ain't taking on water. Let's fish, y'all. Let's see what we can get on, man. Trying to put D on some fish. Oh, them fish. First catch of the day.
Them BUOY boys.
This man always catch the BUOY, man. What's wrong with you?
I like BUOY.
Get it together. Get it together, sir. Perch, D. That's a brim. Hey, it's a catch. You got the first one. I can't eat no goddamn sardine. Damn, I was shining.
That's a brim.
That's a brim, man.
That's a brim.
Need something a little more white and a little less stripe.
A little more white with a little less stripe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Felt that thump, huh? Felt that thump. Get over here.
Oh, that bitch.
More to come back here. Got a bite.
You got a bite?
Mm-hmm. Got him. Mm-hmm. Oh, he humongous. What in the world?
What the?
What in the world? Bro. And I got it on camera.
What the? Bro, really?
Oh my God. That's what you call a slab. Oh my God. Oh, that I thought that boy was a bass coming out that boy.
What is that?
That's a crappie. That's a perch.
That big?
Well, that's a big one.
God damn, bro.
Look at the got
Look
him
at
in
the
the
mouth on that.
Yeah.
Hold it up, bro. Hold it up. That look like damn near bad.
For real. Damn.
We recording.
Man.
Give me the phone. Give me the
This
phone.
what-
Give me
this
the
what I
phone. Give me
do,
the phone.
man.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
This is what I do, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. So I'm telling you, I've been telling y'all, but I'm telling y'all again. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, cause we pulling out slabs. I'm talking about donkeys. Look how you ate that boy. Woo! Woo!
Good God.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. That's what we call crappie, boy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. D got his first perch.
First perch ever in my life,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Yes, sir.
She a little dink, but hey,
Hey,
first one.
appreciate it.
My
D sauce,
boy.
man. I appreciate you, bro.
Oh yeah, for sure. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. We lit, I'm telling you.
I'm gonna throw her back.
Gotta throw her back. She too small.
Should I let her keep the
I mean, she
Keep the
did
bait.
work. She did work for it.
She worked for it. I'm gonna let you keep the bait,
You know?
baby. Let you keep the little bait.
There you go, shawty. Go tell your mama, come on.
That's a big ass fish, though.
Yeah, he's a good. He just long. But yeah, man, hopefully, well, I know for sure I ain't finna eat no damn sardines in Louisiana hot sauce.
I don't give a damn. That's a big ass fish, man. I don't catch something close to it, shit.
You gotta catch one bigger. What you talking about? It's who catch the biggest fish. That's what you said, wasn't it? Oh! Ooh, I thought I had a bite. Probably did. I'm finna pull out the mama. You just get ready. But it feel good out here, man. Peace of mind. You know, we be stressed out about a whole bunch of stuff. Got a lot going on in life. We just, you know, when you hitting that water, everything just kind of go away for a minute, huh?
Yeah, nothing.
Right.
Everything just cleared. Cleared mine.
It could be the, what you think it is? The water, the wind? We doing something
I
constructive?
think it's more of focusing on something else. I think it's more of like, this is God gave us this skill. You know what I'm saying? So everything else is like man learned, like man made, you know what I'm saying, type stuff. And it's just getting your mind off of everything.
Right.
Just, you know, focusing on this. Because like God said, you show a man how to fish. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think that's what it is.
For sure.
It's more of a closer connection to God, nature, everything. Like, I think that's what it is.
Caught your first perch. I'm glad I can help you with that, you know?
Yeah, that was dope.
Yeah. Subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't. Hit that like button. I need y'all to hit that.
Definitely hit the like
I
button.
need y'all to hit that like button and comment like what videos, what y'all need to see from these sauce, man. Let me know. If y'all don't tell me, I won't know, you know. And if you watch the video, let me know on the comment too, so I can know that you watching. I need feedback, cause you know I don't get enough feedback from you guys to see what you guys want. Cause I'm trying to take this to another level, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know which way to go, cause I don't know what you guys like. I don't know what y'all dislike. I need help, so Put in the comment. Make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank y'all. Perch. Perch. Been telling y'all, man. I've been telling y'all, subscribe to the channel. Babe, we gonna eat good tonight. We gonna eat good tonight. Alright guys, when you crappie fishing, all you gotta do is put that split shot on there. Put your shiner hook on there. You just dropping that boy. So I let it all the way down, hit the bottom. Okay, hit the bottom. Hit the bottom, I know where it's at. So we're just gonna come up a few turns. We got a bite already. Already. Stop playing with me. Subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? It's that easy. It's really that easy. You feel me? All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. Maybe you'll learn something. You know what I'm saying? You'll let think, but I know they're down there. Alright, let's see if we can get us a nib or something. I need some WD-40 on my seat. And guys, you can use a jig to catch these crappie too. You can use a jig. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna tie my other pole up with a jig to show you guys how I do that also. And that's why I ain't getting no bite, because they done ate my shiner. And the way I hook my minnows is through the bottom up to the top lip, just like that.
Bottom to the top lip?
Yeah, bottom through the bottom up to the top.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes crappie, they come up, so you'll be fishing below them and they don't see your bait. That's a lot of the reason why crappie are not hitting your bait, because you either below them or you either too high. You need to be right up on the crappie for them to really just lock on your bait. You want to drop that baby all the way to the bottom like I did. All your slack. When the slack stop, you know you're at the bottom. Reel it up a couple turns, stop. Fish that. If you ain't getting no bite, you know, come back up. And see, this is another reason why you need a fish finder, to see how deep these fish are sitting. And I think this is a Garmin striker. What mine is, I got it set up to the 2D. That way you can see the fish and you can see where you're going. I think I got the map, but you can set it any way you want. But this tells me how deep I'm fishing, and I got the fish ID on there. That way you can see fish. So fish just popped up right there, and it says he's at 10 feet. So yeah, that's what you're looking for. And then one thing about crappie, they come up to feed. So you want to have the shiner above them or in front of them. If it's below them, they not gonna hit it. As a matter of fact, while they're sitting, I'm gonna put a jig on this one. Watch that monster grab this jig though. That's what I tell you. Ooh. Told you. Didn't I tell you you gonna hit that jig? Didn't I tell you you gonna hit that jig? What'd I say? What'd I say? I told you you gonna hit that jig, boy. Hey, subscribe to the channel. What I been telling D? What I been telling him?
You gonna hit that motherfucker.
I been telling the boy, man, subscribe to the channel, man. I ain't trying to get hooked. And this off the jig. Now I got a secret that if these fish are not biting, what you guys can do to make them bite, especially with these jigs. I got secrets. But the only way you can figure out the secret or find out the secret is subscribing to the channel, because that video will be coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button, so you'll be notified for when that banger drop, man. Do that right now. I'm telling you, we lit, man. Let's go. What's the slab I'm finna pull out? Woo! 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 What I say? What I said? I'm a bad man, huh? I'm a bad man? I'm a bad man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. I just dropped this thing. Just dropped that boy in there too. I'm telling you, they sitting down there. What I say? What I said, D? He was gonna do what? Y'all, let me call my daddy real quick. Rub it in his face. Yeah, I'm talking about as soon as I dropped that boy in the water, he was gone. I told you what these glasses. Y'all had to face the sun.
Stargate.
His ass want to face the sun. He talking about some of his eyes hurt. Yeah, you might want to get ready.
Fuck, man.
Get ready for them sardines. You ever had a sardine before?
Hell no.
You ain't never had a sardine?
No.
I'm done with the jigs. I'm gonna pop that shiner back on there. I'm done with the jig for right now. I just had to show y'all that I'm really like that, you know. I'm really built like that, you know. You know, people they be hating on me, you know. They be playing on my top, but I'm really like that, like no cap. These house in the building, man. Stop playing. Slab right here. You don't like that. Every time I say that, that baby go down. Every time I say, ooh, I seen it. Shine the dead, jig the head. As soon as I said they cut off, cut back on, lights back on. As soon as I said that, lights back on. Man, we gonna eat good tonight, man. And I'm like, ooh, hey, yeah. They still down there. They still down there. Come on back, bud. He talking about he finna get in the truck. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on back.
Come on,
man, what's, yeah. Y'all, this is what we end up with, you know. A couple of them, you know. Caught a donkey though, for sure. But this so man.
You wanna show him the your biggest and my biggest. Biggest, I'll grab my biggest.
Okay, alright, it's the biggest one. He back, oh, yeah, he over there.
Oh. Hold on, y'all, it's a big one.
He got a slab, y'all. Oh, oh.
That's it right there.
That's him?
That's a big one right there, huh?
Oh yeah, go on eat them sardines,
yes.
Man. Go on pop them sardines over real quick with that Louisiana hot sauce. Show them how it's done. These sauce don't play, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man.
Man, this is a slab, man. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe the hot sauce won't make it so bad. Oh, it's whole fish too.
Mm-hmm. Don't get too one out of there. Dog. Gotta eat the gut and everything. It's nasty.
I don't want this shit, bro.
Make me throw. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button if y'all like the content, man. Hey, y'all know what it is. D sauce, this, we out, man.